Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Colonial Inn. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Pine Hill, Colonial Inn offers a bar. Among the facilities of this property are a restaurant, a 24-hour front desk and a shared lounge, along with free Wi-Fi. Free parking is provided. An American breakfast is available each morning at the hotel. You can play billiards and darts at Colonial Inn. Discounted tickets and rental equipment for Belleayre Ski Center is provided. Complimentary use of a local recreation center with a pool and exercise facility is included as well. Belleayre Ski Center is 3 miles away. Belleayre Beach is 1 mile away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.